Do your sales consultants take their customers to their desk after meeting and welcoming them, or to their trade or leased vehicle? After meeting and greeting a customer, many sales consultants will invite their customers to their office or workstation to begin the qualifying process. It's generally accepted that the first phase of the sales process is to build trust and a relationship. Going straight to fill out a CRM field or a welcome sheet at a desk with a customer could lead to resistance from the customer, as most CRMs and many welcome sheets require the sales consultant to obtain personal information such as last name, address, phone numbers, and email addresses. This could be too premature. If the objective of phase one is to build trust in a relationship, doesn't it seem it'd be more effective to do this at the customer's trade-in if they have one? Many sales consultants also start the appraisal process without their customer at their trade-in. That's a missed opportunity. Going out to the trade-in or leased vehicle with a customer allows a customer to open up quicker, as a sales consultant can use the vehicle as a prompt to stimulate conversation. It allows a customer to be in a comfort zone, just as most people are more comfortable entertaining at home than when visiting. Lifestyle clues like booster seats, trailer hitches, car seats, bumper stickers, sports equipment, tools, etc. all can fuel the rapport building process far easier than filling out a questionnaire. There's even more information than can be collected at the trade-in, such as the reason for change, what they don't like about their current vehicle, and what features they're looking forward to enjoy most on a newer vehicle. Offering to have their vehicle appraised while on a test drive builds trust as well. In many cases, walking around the trade-in with the customer allows a customer to become self-aware of their vehicle's deficiency, thus reducing their trade-in expectations. They also can become more self-aware of the costs to maintain their vehicle, such as brakes or tires that need replacing or other features that may not be working. So consider updating your dealership sales process and have your sales consultants go straight to the customer's trade-in or lease vehicle after meeting and welcoming them instead of going to their desks or workstations, and they'll build more rapport and trust. For Y Management, I'm Hector Bassotti.